gentlemen, and welcome back to BFE, Bilbao for Everyone. In today's program, we are going to talk about the pollution in Bilbao.
Pollution in Bilbao has always been a problem, although in recent years it has improved markedly due to several measures that have been taken. But obviously, as you can see in these photos, there's still a lot of litter around Bilbao. To delve into the topic, we will now talk to the reporters.
Now we are connecting with Leire. Okay, it looks like we're having some trouble connecting with Leire. The problem with the connection seems to have been solved. So, hello Leire.
Hello, I'm here next to Iberdrola Tower. As you can see, this street is full of plastic. Nowadays, many people throw plastic on the ground because of laziness, despite having a trash can 5 meters away. It's as simple as doing this. If everybody did this small gesture, the plastic pollution will be reduced by up to 20%. And now, the scientist Yaiza Lorenzo is going to explain the problem of the plastic pollution. Hi Yaiza, could you explain us how the plastic pollution is nowadays?
Hey, yes, of course. I will start by explaining what plastic pollution is. Plastic pollution is accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the Earth's environment that adversely affect wildlife habitat, and humans, such as plastic bottles, bags, and microbeads. One of the main problems is that the trash cans are not big enough for the trash produced in Bilbao. That's why the rubbish overflows and the surroundings of the containers are crowded. The problem would be reduced if we put more or bigger trash cans all over the city. Apart from improving this problem, it will also create more jobs, something that obviously can be good for the economy. Besides, I must also mention that if people had an incentive to recycle, they would recycle more. For example, a solution for this problem could be giving 25 cents to each inhabitant who recycles 1 kilo of plastic.
Thank you very much for joining in today's program and helping us to learn better the plastic pollution.
Thank you for offering me the magnificent opportunity to be in your program.
Now we are connecting with my partner and reporter Sarai, who is right now in Bilbao, exactly on the Guggenheim Museum. Tell us, Sarai, what's going on there?
Yes, good morning, Judith. The Guggenheim Museum is committed to environmental conservation. The measures adopted by the museum focus on minimizing the environmental impact of our operations and maintaining the ecosystem, supporting conservation and trying our best towards a more eco-efficient working environment. In short, making the best use of finances with the least possible environmental impact. The measures implemented in this area include the following: efficient energy use and reduction in electricity and gas, recycling, fitting out a safe space for hazardous materials, reduction of noise impact in vicinity, rechanneling of wastewater system, external and internal environmental audits, environmental education, training and awareness session of museum staff.
Thanks, reporters. So this is it for today's program. Thanks for watching, and we all hope you have an amazing weekend. Now we will leave you with the sports. ¿Qué? ¿Tengo que empezar ya?
Sí, pues empieza. Uy, mierda, no tengo la tarjeta.
The Guggenheim Museum is committed to
How the plastic pollution nowadays.
Mira, sí, es que parezco un poco retrasada, ¿no?
Hombre, un poco, pero bueno.
Okay.
Jason? A solution for this problem would be giving 25 cents to each inhabitant who recycles 1.
Could you tell us how the plastic... Jason, no te rías, tío.
The museum focus on
Speak about the... Otra vez, perdón, me dio.
Iba a entrar.
Away. Ay, coño.
No se oye.
Pero de qué, chicas.
Ponlo así, en plan,
Sí, un
torcido,
segundo, espera, que hay
por...
gente ahí. Voy
Sí.
un segundo.
The sports.
No, es muy rápido, pero